Hey, that was a really good class.
I'm sweating like a beast. Yeah, intervals are killer.
That's for sure.
Mitchell alert.
Huh?
What? What? What's that?
Are you feeling okay?
You know how you feel when you leave a loud environment? It often feels like your ears are plugged or ringing. Though you may feel normal the next day, hearing damage could have occurred. Do that over and over, and you'll have permanent hearing loss.
Are you feeling okay?
My ears are ringing a bit, I think from the class.
Maybe you should try these.
Oh. Yeah, thanks. That's probably a good idea.
When putting in foam earplugs, squeeze and roll the foam between your finger and thumb until it's as long and narrow as possible. Reach over your head with your other hand and pull up and back on your upper ear to straighten out your ear canal. Insert the earplug until the end is flush with your ear opening. Hold it in place and allow it to expand. It may take a minute or two for it to expand fully inside your ear. It should form a seal and not be visible from the front. So, start now and protect your hearing.
All right, let's get those legs warm. All right, get your arms reaching, and up, up, up.
Noise-induced hearing loss is permanent, but preventable. Always wear hearing protection while working in a loud environment. For more information, go to WorkSafeBC.com.